Quote of the day. Act well at the moment, and you have performed a good action for all eternity. Lavater. Hello, beautiful people from here, from there, and from everywhere. This is Lezama. Well, this is now the next project. Has developed from the same butterflies, the same embellishment that we did previously, the butterfly and the mail stamp or postal stamp. So previous, as I mentioned to you before, or we saw it, is something like this, which is over the pages. So in this case, if it could be that one on the side, on the top, and if you turn over the page, then you will see the other side. So that's the one over the page. Or this other one, which is easier and more simple, which is this one, which is like that, and the other side goes like that. And we have this other one project, which is will be also over the page, but will be on the sides. So we have our book or our notebook or sketchbook or a journal, whatever you have right there. Then you want to put it this on the side of the page. Will be this one, and if you turn your page, then will show this one. So that on mine, we are going to do this one, this project today, and finish this one. So for that, we have here our elements, which are the butterflies and some music sheet with some words and just the music sheet, plus our washi tape and the pages, which in this case we need like 2 sheets of pages, and just put one in the middle of the other one. And let's go and see if we can manage to finish this one. So it's gonna be about that size. So in this case, we are going to cut it, and it should be somewhere there. Okay, after we did that, then we are going to glue them, because the pages, as you can see, they are quite old. The book, 1924, the beginning of the century, 1900, and well, it's quite, the pages are quite old. So let's go and add the glue, and let's go add the glue and attach each other on the pages. So pretty much about there. Okay, so we have that. And then if we need more glue, well, we have to put in more glue, or if we needed to sew it, you know, in the machine, well, we can do that. So that will be decisions later. Right now, that's what we want. And because there's also maybe we should add the washi tape at this moment. I see these ones, they are, and I think I would like to try what kind of washi tape. Maybe I should try this one, which I like it for some reason. So let's see if I find it, because that's the tricky part with the washi tape. Always we lose. So, okay, so that will be there. And the other side we just put a little bit like that and a little bit like that. It's not 100% perfect, but it's just good enough to create this embellishment. So now I want to do this one first, which will be this one. And let's see if I have a little bit bigger, maybe this one. Yes, I like that one. And see if we can put the same. I just maybe, yeah, I think we should do the same one somewhere here. But okay, let's go glue this one. And let's go and glue this other one. Perfect. And now we're just going to add our, I think maybe we should go, okay, let's go and put just a little teeny piece here. And maybe another teeny little piece here. Yeah. And let's go to another one here. Yeah, so that will be just as good as can be. So okay, so now let's go with this, the next, the other side, and that is, if I found mine, oh, yeah, it's here. Okay, so should we put this one here, and the phrase, the sheet music with the phrase, which is, I saw one before and I liked it, and now I lost it. You know what? That's the problem. I saw the word love and I thought that was perfect. And now obviously that word is gone. Where did it go? I just went out to tango or something like that. Do they like to go to tango? To tango? Yes, that's it. Okay, so okay, let's go and put this one in down. So we managed to, okay, let's do it, and like that. Okay, and then maybe we can find, okay, I didn't find that one, so let's go and use this one, which I just found it. Say something, one tender. Okay, let's go and do it there, and let's go and put some maybe here. Let's go and do that. Let's go and put this one. Okay. And that's it. So I think this is what we have. And it's done. And here are the rest. that's it. We finish.